This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's topic, investing should not be like sports betting. Here's the point. Often when you invest in an individual stock, it's not that much different than betting on your favorite sports team. You're really not that sure of the outcome. It might be a lot of fun. It makes it a ton more interesting to watch that stock or to watch that game. That's how investing could be like sports betting. If you have an investment in Bitcoin, investment in Microsoft, investment in Amazon, it's far more interesting to see if it's going up or down. It's the same thing with investing in a sports game or on a sports team. It's just much more interesting. That, though, should not be the core of your investment strategy. The core of your investment strategy should be sort of deeply thought out. Here are my core investments. For me, it's an S&P 500 index fund and it's U.S. Treasuries. Those are my core investments. And then if I want to mess around with a small portion of my portfolio and bet on some individual stocks, at least I should have a thesis and a reason for investing in those stocks. It shouldn't just be like the fun of the game, the whim of investing, like we see with betting on sports teams. It should be some thoughtful reason versus just a bet. But I shouldn't really confuse myself that investing in individual stocks as an individual investor is that much different than betting on sports teams. And that's not what your investment should be. Your investment should be really built around a couple of core concepts, and you want to figure them out with your financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor, and figure out what your cores are for investing and really focus most of your investment dollars there. For me, again, it's S&P 500s and Treasuries, and then the stuff that's more like sports betting, and I'm not proud of this, is more like a handful of investments in individual stocks, the private equity and venture funds. Thank you so much for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Again, investing should not be like sports betting. Thank you.